Hello, Buckingham. Welcome back. It's Mr. Payne again. I wanted to make sure that I made a demonstration video for the three movements that we're going to be working on, okay? So we're going to be working on arm circles, we're going to be working on jumping jacks, and we're going to be working on high knees, okay? For most of the Buckingham students, you all should be familiar with these movements. However, if you forget, that's why I created this video to help you out, okay? So to start, I'm going to demonstrate the arm circles. So you are going to have your arms straight out, like so, and you're going to start by doing some small circles forward, just like so. Again, you're starting off slow, small circles. You can gradually make some larger circles. Make sure you're careful. If you're doing this inside, you don't want to hit the wall, okay? You also don't want to hit, your brother or sister by accident. Continue to go, and you're going to make those arm circles a lot bigger. All right? All right. Next, we're going to go in reverse. Arms out again, nice and straight, and you're going to start slow and go in reverse. Right? This is a great activity. All right? You could even do this while you're watching TV. All right, I'm going to get a little bit bigger. And that's my demonstration for arm circles, okay? Next, I'm going to demonstrate jumping jacks. This movement's a little bit harder to do, okay? So I'm going to fix that camera real quick. For jumping jacks, you're going to have your feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to start with your arms and hands by your side. Now, when you jump, you're going to jump with your feet out and your hands and arms above your head, like so. Then when you jump back together, that would be one jumping jack. I'm going to fix this camera just a little bit. All right? There we go. I'm going to demonstrate 5 for you. So again, starting together, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right? Now, if you look at the page, I have a beginner's recommendation and an advanced recommendation. Now, you can certainly do the jumping jacks, arm circles, and high knees. You could try them twice a day. You could do them once a day. You could do them Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and give yourself a couple days off. Or if you really want to stay active, I'd recommend do them every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For our next and last activity, we're going to demonstrate some high knees. So for high knees, you want to start by having your left knee come up to your chest and then your right knee, bringing those knees all the way up really high. That's why they're called high knees, okay? Just like so. Now I'm going real slow just to demonstrate. For my 3rd and 4th graders, you all have practiced this before. You are more than welcome to start off at a faster pace. All right? After I get warmed up a little bit, I'm going to take my hands and put them at my waist level, maybe a little bit higher, and I'm going to hit my hands with my knees, bringing them up all the way to my chest, as high as I can. Now I'm going to start to go fast, okay? I'm going to get those knees really high, okay? All right, just like so. I hope everybody has a great week. I hope that you enjoy practicing the arm circles, jumping jacks, and high knees. And I look forward to hopefully seeing everyone soon, okay? I will have some new activities posted for next week. All right, everybody have a great first week of online learning and have a great weekend. Goodbye from Mr. Payne. We'll see you.